What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be making a very cool announcement. Let's just get into it. So 1 or 2 months ago I reached 500 subscribers, and that was really awesome. So thanks again for all your support, and I'm just about to come up to 750 subscribers. So the announcement I want to make is I will be doing a deck giveaway, so I'll be giving away 1 red and 1 blue bicycle deck. And at 750 subscribers, so you may have to wait another 20 subscribers or whatever it is. So I'll be doing a giveaway at 750 subscribers, and I'll be doing a shout out to 3 people who have been active on my channel and are actively uploading videos on their channel, because I obviously can't just send people to your channel if you don't upload anything. Yeah, so if you want a shout out, make sure to be active on my channel, be active on your channel, be active all around. And then you'll definitely get a shout out. Top 3 people will definitely get a shout out. And in terms of the giveaway, what I was planning is comment below in this video on what changes you'd like to see in the channel, or what tricks you'd like to see, or whatever you want to see more on this channel. Just leave a comment down below on that with the hashtag giveaway. And yeah, I'll enter you in a prize to win 2 decks. So now, all that being said, I'll do the random picking the same way I did the random picking last time. And if you didn't see how I did the picking last time, I'll put a link in the description to the 500 subscriber video and on the screen, so you can check that out. But yeah, just very excited to be reaching 750 subscribers soon. So I will see you there. So all that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below for all my status updates, and I will see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.